what are we gonna do with all these pipes? Okay, we got 2 sets of 2-inch mild steel gauge 16. Okay, let's see what kind of configuration we can do with this. Okay, I'll show you what this gooseneck is. You have to cut a sleeve to go in here, and then drill a couple of holes, weld it in there, because you don't want the bearing pushing through. Then you make a spacer, same width as that. Then you weld this to your whatever we're doing. I'll show you what we just got. Okay, for this gooseneck, I want to, besides use up some of my scrap, so we're going to cut a whole bunch of these and mount our gooseneck. Get back up there. Okay. Anyway, let's get that cut out. Okay, let's go ahead and tack the side ones on, then we'll straighten everything out a little bit. Alrighty, let's see if we like it. Okay, we just got our front tire on. Now the whole assembly. Alrighty. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, in part one I showed you where we took one of these U-bends and we cut it. Boom. Now this one is rounded up to fit the pipe, and it's going to be for our kite mount seat belt. So now these are going to hold our axle housing, and we have to do this to it. And then that's going to weld in just like that. And see? Almost the same. Okay, let's get this cut out and see if it'll fit that good. That's nice. This is all hand filed too. Okay, let's get going. Okay, we'll get it close with the grinder and then it's all hand filing. Now some of you might have other tools to do this easier, but I just have a round rasp. Wait, for the next hour I'm going to do that. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, there she goes. Okay, now we got to see if we got to grind any here or here. Easy. Okay, we're getting close. I'll clean that up and then we'll stick them on the buggy. All right, the mail came. Been waiting on these hubs for about a week maybe. And boy, those well worth every dime. Oh, those are nice. Nice. Here. Oh, look at that. Fits like a glove. Nice. I mean, right? Perfect. Okay. All right, I think we did it. Now I'll tack this in place and don't move. Yeah, look at that. I like that. Okay, so okay, that's how long they need to be. 2 of them. All right, we got these set where we want them, so we'll get them welded up. Well, that ain't too bad. Okay, now we need to weld right here on the cart. Okay, here's where the critical part is. I worked on that other side for about an hour. But now it's going to be easier because we just moved this. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay, a slight lean in at the top. And that's about an eighth like the other side. Now hopefully our toe end stayed. It looked pretty good a bit ago. Well, I think she looks pretty good right there. The blocks can come out. She is on her wheels. Okay, roll. There we go, look at that. Okay, it's a roller. Okay, we'll touch up all the welds and then we'll put our bracing in and anyway. Okay, we've got the first brace on. Let's tack her in place. Yeah, wasn't too bad a gap. Okay, now we got to cut a couple braces, a little bit of triangles there, and well, we didn't get a whole lot done today, but okay, we got one side of the seat belt on and one brace there. We'll finish it up tomorrow, whatnot. Anyway. Okay, new front tire, 3/4 shaft bearing here, sandwiched together, 3/4 axle, and then here's front forks, made out of two 90s, Mandrel Bends. Very tight fit. Okay, let's get the rest of this buggy welded. We got our other seat belt mount on this side and that other brace. So, and we had to drill a hole in each one so you can get that spacer in there. And it looks more finished, you know. Let's see if we can get this lined up. Oh, that looks real good right there. Ow! Oh, ow, that burnt. Yes, sir. Okay, is that what? Ah, there, it's stuck. Yep, over here. All right. I'm still unsure on the seat. I don't know if I want this one. This one. too fast, too fast, too fast. Too fast. Okay, yeah, we need some brakes. Alrighty then. Hey everyone, that's going to do it for part 2. Part 3 is going to be, we're going to paint it. I have to add a brake. We're going to get our seat belt, kite hookup made, and then we'll take it to the beach and run it. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that button. And if you like the video, hit that like button. It sure helps out. And I'd love to see you on the next one when we finish this boy. This is also a coaster. I'm going to take it to some mountain roads and coast it. Those ought to be a good video. So, till next time, thanks for watching.